Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me and Ruben. We are going on a father-daddy adventure, and we're going to go to Doko Meadows Nature Trail in Blythwood, South Carolina. So hope you enjoy our little adventure today. And as always, please like, share, and what, Ruben? Subscribe. All right, we'll see you in our adventure. All right, let's go see what we see, bud. So this is really a nice area thus far for what I see here, what me and Ruben see. Excuse me. We're out here at the park, and it's really, really nice. It's a lot of people out here, some people having a picnics, kids playing. It's just really, really nice. And we're gonna go here and show you the water area out here, and it's really, really nice. It's a nice trail, and if you ever come out here, you can see that it's really, really well maintained and well kept.
He's eating some dirt.
All right, let's go take him on the trail. What up, Ruben? Oh, let's see what. Oh, it's nice. So we just can't. Now we can go that way. Let's see. Come on. So this is really, really nice. I was not expecting all this, but you can see they have a trail that goes that way, and then they have a trail that goes this way. Ruben wants to go this way, so we're gonna go this way, and let's see what we see. So, okay. So this is a path. I didn't even see this. Come on. Come on, let's see what's on the bridge. So Ruben, I like parts like this that gives you a little bit of information about what's out here. This is talking about the bark and the leaves, some of the flowers and things that are out here. So that makes it kind of educational. Careful. All right, so as we're coming over here, one thing I can say, there's a lot of nice big fields and open areas where you can come out here, bring your kids out and play. And as you can see, Ruben, oh, he just fell. It's okay, but you can bring your kids out here and play and have a good time. Don't do that. Ooh. All right, so this lake here area, I did see some signs earlier, so I'm probably gonna bring Ruben back out here one day. But you can fish, but you have to fish from the dock over there. So this is a good place, and it's really nice out here. So I'm looking forward to one day bringing Ruben out here and see how we do fishing. Don't get in that water. It's too cold to be in that water. What'd you see? Ooh, that's a big one. So Ruben, what do you really like about this place?
The water.
You like the water? It is pretty nice, isn't it? So guys, that is our adventure today out here at the park. It's really nice. There's so much stuff out here to enjoy as a family. I can't wait to bring my wife back out here. I think she's gonna have a great time. It's very well kept. It's a really great, clean, safe family place to come out here and just enjoy yourself. They have nature trails out here. They have wide open fields so your kids can run around. There are people out here playing football. They have a park area for kids. You can come out here and fish. There's just so much you can do out here. And if you're ever in the Blythwood, and they do have a picnic area. So if you're ever in the Blythwood, South Carolina area, I definitely want to encourage you to come out here, check out the park, check out the trails, do some fishing, just enjoy yourself, have some great time with your family. So as always, from me and Ruben, I don't know why he has that pillow in his mouth or why he has his thumb in his mouth, but from me and my son, Ruben, we want to say thank you for watching. We want nothing but the best for you in this year. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and God bless.